Oh my gosh, guys, it's super cool out here. So I'm doing this video just to show you real quick that I have lost my battle against Poa. It's just coming back every year no matter what I've done. I've nuked it and reseeded, I've sodded, and the stuff just keeps coming back. At this point, I'm not really sure what else to do. In the spring, I do plan on using some plant growth regulator to just help regulate it, but at this point, I'm feeling like I'm just gonna have a yard full of Poa. No! I just wanna show you real quick because it seems to come back around this time every single year. And at this point, I can pretty much identify it. So yeah, I have a nice dark green yard with lots of light spots roaming around in it. Now the sample that I took down to the extension office, I have not gotten the results back yet, but I'm pretty sure that sample is gonna come back as bent grass. I'd be very surprised if it comes back as Poa. So we'll see what happens with that. But certain areas in my yard, I know it's actually Poa, it's not bent grass. So anyway, maybe it'll help you identify something and maybe what you do will actually work to eradicate it, but I have been unsuccessful.